Ever pondered the enigma that is the volatility of the financial markets? Today, we dive deep into the riveting and often mystifying domain of financial volatility, juxtaposing the traditional fiscal markets with the burgeoning world of digital assets. The mention of financial markets might immediately bring to mind Wall Street, stock exchanges, and the symbolic bull and bear. These markets for a long time have been the cornerstone of the global economy, their fluctuating nature frequently acting as a measure for economic well-being. Various elements such as economic indicators, global events, and even extraordinary circumstances like natural calamities can incite changes, rendering these markets unpredictable yet compelling. Factors such as economic indicators, political events, and even natural disasters can cause fluctuations, making these markets unpredictable yet intriguing. Welcome as we take a step into the digital realm, a place where crypto coins and NFTs establish their dominion. This evolving world of digital assets has introduced a seismic shift, the very foundations of the traditional financial landscape. A revolutionary push that started with the invention of Bitcoin, the first ever cryptocurrency, has into a diverse ecosystem where multiple digital currencies vie for prominence. The volatility inherent in this realm is a unique creature. It's driven by multifaceted factors ranging from progressing technology, shifting regulatory landscapes, and the ever-fluctuating market sentiment. One day you may be witnessing the value of Bitcoin skyrocketing a staggering $40,000. Then the next day it could plummet, losing half its value overnight. This roller coaster ride of value changes is even more pronounced with NFTs or non-fungible tokens. These tokens, each unique and irreplaceable, have brought unpredictability to an entirely new level. Representing ownership of a digital asset, NFTs can fluctuate wildly in value. One moment, a digital artwork, signified by an NFT, might sell for millions, causing a stir in the digital and traditional art world. The very next moment, the same piece might be deemed worthless, becoming just a set of digital pixels with no tangible value. This is the unpredictable world of digital assets where each moment holds a new surprise. So, how do these two worlds compare? The traditional financial markets on one end are seasoned, well-regulated, and swayed by concrete, real-world events. Conversely, digital assets emerge as a new entrant, unregulated, and swayed majorly by sentiment and speculation. Yes, both are subject to volatility. However, the causes and effects of this volatility differ significantly. It's important not to be misled by the stark contrasts. The conventional financial markets and the realm of digital assets have the potential to exist together, even swaying each other. A slight fluctuation in Bitcoin's value can potentially cause a ripple in the stock markets, and the opposite holds true as well. These two entities, each with its distinct norms and influencers, are like two sides of the same coin. They are two sides of the same coin, each with its own set of rules and influences. In summary, the volatility of the financial markets, whether traditional or digital, is a complex interplay of numerous factors. These factors include economic indicators, geopolitical events, regulatory changes, and investor sentiment. Traditional financial markets are anchored by tangible assets such as commodities, real estate, and equities. These assets derive their value from real-world activities which can be measured and analyzed using well-established financial models. These markets are also governed by strict regulations designed to ensure fair trading and protect investors. However, despite the relative stability they provide, they are not immune to unexpected disruptions. Economic crises or sudden policy shifts can trigger drastic fluctuations in market values. In contrast, the world of cryptocurrencies and NFTs, non-fungible tokens, is largely speculative. These digital assets are driven by technological advancements and public sentiment, which can often be unpredictable and highly volatile. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum, or NFTs linked to digital art or music, offer new investment opportunities. Their value is based on perceived worth and they offer unprecedented returns. However, the lack of regulation and the speculative nature of these markets make them much riskier. On the other hand, crypto coins and NFTs, driven by technology and sentiment, offer exciting possibilities but also carry a high level of risk due to their extreme volatility. So, whether you're a seasoned Wall Street veteran or a digital asset enthusiast, understanding the volatility in these markets is crucial. The world of finance is an unpredictable beast, constantly moving, shifting, and changing in the blink of an eye. It's a wild, untamed beast that refuses to be tamed or predictable. The volatile nature of the financial markets, whether it's the traditional stock market or the emerging digital assets, is a lot like a roller coaster ride. There's a thrill to it, an adrenaline rush that comes with each twist and turn. It's like being on a never-ending wave, up and down, with surprises at every corner. You could be a seasoned professional, with years of experience under your belt, or a novice who's just dipping their toes into this turbulent sea. The volatility doesn't discriminate, it affects us all. The highs can be exhilarating, the lows can be nerve-wracking, but that's what makes it fascinating, the unpredictability, the constant change. It's a wild ride, but one that is undeniably captivating. The rush you get from the unpredictability, the satisfaction of making a correct prediction, the constant learning, adapting. The unpredictability can be chaotic, yet beautiful. It's a dance that requires constant attention and adaptation. And remember, in the volatile world of finance, knowledge is power. It's not just about understanding the numbers, but also how they move, why they move, the factors that influence them. Knowledge isn't just power, it's your shield and sword in this wild, volatile world.